If Photoshop is showing the error parsing JPEG data message, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you a fast 1-minute 30-second fix that works in many cases, especially when the image is only lightly corrupted. This is a simple troubleshooting method you can try before giving up on the file or looking for expensive recovery software. And if you want more quick software fixes like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Let's get into it. First, understand why this error happens. Most of the time, it means the JPEG file has damaged data, broken markers, or it was interrupted during download or transfer. It can also happen after WhatsApp or Telegram compression, bad storage sectors on a USB drive, a file that was renamed to .jpg without actually being a valid JPEG, or an image that was only partially saved. So the goal is to rebuild the file in a cleaner format that Photoshop can read properly. The quickest primary fix is to resave the image. If the file opens anywhere at all, use that app to rebuild it. A very easy method is to open the image in Paint on Windows. Once it opens, click File, then Save As, and choose JPEG. Save it as a new file name so you don't overwrite the damaged original. After that, try opening the new JPEG in Photoshop again. This works because Paint often rewrites the file structure and recreates proper JPEG markers that Photoshop can recognize. If Paint doesn't help, try the browser recovery trick. Drag the image into Chrome and let it preview in the browser. Then right-click the image and choose Save Image As. Save the fresh copy to your computer and open that new file in Photoshop. Browsers are sometimes able to auto-repair minor corruption when they render the image, so this can give you a cleaner version than the original file. Now do a quick file size check. If the JPEG is only a few kilobytes, that usually means it's incomplete or heavily damaged. If the file is much smaller than you expected, that's another strong sign the image was corrupted during download or transfer. In those cases, the file may not be fully recoverable, so the best option is to try the resave method first, then the browser method, and if needed, go back to the original source and download the image again. If the file still won't open, check whether it came from a messaging app, the ship, cloud backup, USB drive, or an old folder that may have suffered storage issues. Sometimes just copying the image to a new location on your desktop and reopening the copy can help too. Also, make sure the file extension really matches the file type. A renamed PNG or a damaged conversion can trigger the same Photoshop error parsing JPEG data message. So the fastest solution is this. Open the image in Paint, save it again as JPEG, then try the new file in Photoshop. If that fails, use Chrome to save a fresh copy and test that version. And finally, check file size because tiny or unusually small files usually mean corruption. If this helped you fix the problem, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick Photoshop repair tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.